Sunday morning. James has got his overalls on. We're going to build a hen house. We've been trying to do it for about a year. So it looks heavy. Well, it is heavy. I've just tried to root out the back of the workshop's in that box there. I'm going to get the buggy, put it in that, carry it round, take some tools and see what it looks like when we start putting it together. The big box emptied. It seems to What are you doing? It seems to have all the metal. And then there's another box here that's... Oh, I think this has got the nesting in it. It's even come with a scoop as well. What's in that, James?
Oh, don't know.
All aboard. Right, we're going to see what we can do with this. Might time lapse it. It actually all clips together with these bits onto these bases. Oh, there it is. Still think there's one missing. There you go. That's it. Is that the right one? It's important to load test it once you put the roof ridge on. What are you doing? Why don't you sit in the buggy like Clara, all well behaved? I'm sure you just encouraged her to do that. That's the frame all clicked together now. Just need to do the doorway and then put the mesh on the top. What are you doing, children? Should we just call it a climbing frame and leave it at that? Will you get down? Right, I'm just tightening this up now. Latch is a bit weird. Just kind of doesn't want to sort of sit right. Getting there though, I think. Come on, you two. Oh, have you got the right screwdriver? Yeah. Thank you. The superstructure is now complete, but the mesh doesn't seem to be the right size, unless when we get it out of the bag it'll stretch a bit. Have you got the right screwdriver now? Okay. No, I need the buckets, James. I've got the buckets to put underneath to lift it up, so we're not bending down doing the cable ties on the floor. So I've got quite a collection of them. I'm going to put them under each leg, raise it up a bit. Here's the plan. Sweet Caroline's helping, well, doing some childcare. Ooh, that'll do. Be a bit easier now than bending down.
Still bending down.
Yeah, still bending down, yeah, but there we go, that's got rid of them for a minute. What's up, James? James, what happened?
What's happened?
You fell in the poo.
No, work it on the grass.
You're on safari. It's a bit wishy-washy this now when it's come round here. It's like not wanting to be taught. Can't see it on the camera, it's too invisible, but that, I keep dropping it. When that roll goes to there, it's a bit of slack in that corner here. That is huge.
Look at his body.
It's got like legs like a aniseed rock. Where's it gone? Look at that.
Yeah, but no, it's his body. That's weird.
Have you got something to put next to it for scale?
No. Your finger.
An AirPod case.
It's just how weird it looks.
Look at that. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Got Liv helping now, doing it in twice the speed. Still a bit to go. It's been misty here all day. Time-lapse camera went flat as well, which is a bit of a pain. It was the British Ploughing Championships today, and we were going to go, but it was 2 hours there, 2 hours back, which is like 4 hours in the car with the kids, so we decided that it wasn't really fair. But they were there ploughing with the Chieftain tank. So, had a video sent, here it is. Thanks for that, Mark. Pretty cool, and some other stuff there as well. That was interesting. So it's a shame we didn't get there, but at least we've built the hen house. Hen run. I suppose it's a chicken run, isn't it? Which is a film as well. Pretty inevitable we were going to run out of cable ties because Charlotte's making it really fox-proof. So I've used 450 so far. No, 1, 2, 4 bags. So 600, I think. Anyway, should have enough here to finish it.
Reverse.
Clara, back up!
Reverse. Pull it back. Reverse.
So Andrew's trying to round the sheep up with the buggy, but they're just ignoring him. It's not quick enough. Oh, sneezing. So he's trying to get them over there, where his trailer is. Yeah, that's not working. Yeah, you might as well give up. Everyone's helping round them up now. It's the one with the white tail he's trying to catch, because that one is the one that won't go to a bag. The rest will all follow, but that one won't. It's ran in the bushes now. Only the gable ends now to finish. And then we've got to trim all the cable ties. You couldn't see it if it wasn't for the white cable ties. Just blends in, perfect. Cut along there as well. I would say that's pretty much done. There's just the 600 tails to cut off the cable ties. I've just done this gable end. It does look a lot neater, but fair bit of work trimming them off. Nice job for James if he was a little bit older, but it's probably not safe with these. Snipping these cable ties is not much fun. Started there, I've gone all the way around. Just got all that to do. Done all the roof and done all the sides. What's up, James? Do you want to put your car and your tractor away? There we go. 5 hours later. looks okay, doesn't it? It'd be good actually for putting fruit trees in or strawberries or anything. But for now, stop the chickens wandering off and getting eaten by the fox. And also we've put the old one inside so you can lock it in again at night. It's definitely more fun driving that all day, or even that, than building chicken pens. Don't you think, James? Gonna quickly do the birthdays while James wrestles with the gear stick. We've got Peter Elliott is 67, and Karen Freeman, happy birthday. We're now £104,707. There's still a little bit of gift aid to add to that, but pretty much there. So happy birthday everyone on today's birthday bumper. That's probably all for today. Not the most exciting video apart from the tank. But yes, just seems weird really, October to be so still and good weather and us to be so far ahead. So that's a job we've been trying to do for 2 years, but done now. So yeah, if you made it this far, you can click like, that'd be amazing. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.